Liam Henning, and this is Wild Man vs. Nature Part 2. So, if you're going on a trip like I am, these are your camping essentials. You need some Mountain Dew to keep you refreshed, because you know, do the dew. You're gonna need that candy. You never know when those diabetes are going to set in. You're gonna need a jackknife, because you know, just because you don't know when you're gonna need to kill a deer. And remember, always pack light. Ugh. Okay. We're ready to start this trip. So, if you're going on a trip, you're not going to want these $200 shoes. These are very nice shoes. And if you wreck or lose them, it will be the end of the world as we know it. So what you're going to want to do is go barefoot. That's why I've taken off my socks. And I'm going to face this adventure alone and barefoot. Oh! Grass! It burns! Oh! Nope! I'm definitely taking those $200 shoes. Now, my ritual to bless the ancestors. Ancestors, may you bless me with your prayers. Ancestors, may you help me on these days. Ancestors, you will protect me. Hi there, this is Wild Man, and I'm going to tell you about the wild. The first thing I'm going to teach you about is wild animals. If you see a tiger, you should stand still. What? No, this is useless. No, if you see a tiger, you should scream and run away as fast as you can. And let's say you're walking through the Sahara Desert, and you see a lake, and there's a hippo in there. What you should do is try to get on the hippo's back and ride it like a cowboy. So, I brought an energy drink. Now I'm gonna wanna dig a hole and put it in there and save it for later. Ah! There you go. Great. Now, if I ever need a sudden cause for energy, I can just go here and dig it up. Okay, I'm going to need that energy drink I buried. Here, cameraman, pass me the shovel. Yeah. Let's go do some digging. Hi-ho, hi-ho. It's off to work, we go. Where is that energy drink? I found some raw meat in the jungle, and I'm gonna catch it. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. So, wild man, here's a tip of advice. In the wild, you should never, ever, under any circumstance, have a person go with you. It's just, you have to share food with them. They're a waste of time and space. And if you can't get rid of your partner, you know what to do. So you know, everything in the wild can be used to your advantage. Like this. See this piece of cardboard? You may not think about it, but this piece of cardboard could save your life. So, in the wild, you always want to stay hydrated. So, that's what I'm going to do today. Now I'm refreshed and ready for the day. Hey, People in the comment section, I just say something. Does it look like I peed my pants? If it does, comment down below. If not, leave a like. And remember, hit that subscribe button. We're almost to 50 subs. Out here, we have found some deer poop. And you're thinking, hey, how does my favorite YouTuber know what deer poop looks like? Well, I don't, but I can tell this is deer poop because in the book I read, deer poop tastes gross. So let's make sure this is true. So I feel like all of you should learn how to make a fire at home. All I need is a stick and a bunch of rubber sticks. Ah! Aiden, give me that lighter. Okay, so while trying to cut some rope, I may or may not have cut myself. Ah! 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 If you want me to get back to human civilization, you better like, comment, and subscribe! Or else I'll kill you! I'll kill you! I'll kill you! I'll kill you! You're gonna die! This is what my piece of cardboard is for.
Make your dreams come true.
Now give us the secret man cup.